तो ऐसे अनगिनत लोग हैं जो सालों सलाखों के पीछे फंसे रहते हैं और उनका मुकदमा आगे बढ़ता ही नहीं है, डेट नहीं लगती है।
Some people lose years waiting for justice, but there are some champions working to change this.
मेरा नाम हया ईमान जाहिद है। आई एम वन ऑफ द फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स ऑफ द लीगल एड सोसाइटी, which is Pakistan's leading justice sector reform organization. We are a legal empowerment organization. We want to put the power of the law in the hands of every Pakistani. You don't have to be remarkable in any way. You don't have to be special. You don't have to have privilege, positioning, or power. The law works for each and every Pakistani, and that is the idea behind the Legal Aid Society. We have represented over 3,600 women and children in courtrooms across Pakistan, arguing their cases at the trial court level, at the appellate level, making arguments to make sure that we set the right precedents across Pakistan before the highest judicial authorities. We've won 84% of these cases, proving to you that no matter how rigged or how broken or how corrupt the system can seem at the face of it, it can work. It can work when you have a champion standing next to you, supporting you, attending every hearing with you, being your voice, translating what the law is, what the procedure is, helping you make informed decisions. You know, the law is not easy. It's not easy to understand. Quite often proceedings in courtrooms are happening in a language that is alien to like 50-60% of our population, if not more. So they don't understand what the law books say. They don't understand what the procedure says. And if you can't afford a lawyer, who is going to help you navigate that system? So when people come to us, and sometimes we lay out the options and we tell them the law provides these protections for you, but when they hesitate because they cannot believe that they will get their day in court. A mother who has been deprived the custody of her children can't believe that she will win against her husband her ex-husband who has so much more power. And you know, in that moment when custody is granted, the child is produced in court and she hugs that child and she walks away with that child. You know, she may have nothing. She may not have a job figured out right now. Her own family may have abandoned her because she chose to walk out of an abusive situation. She may have nothing. And whilst having apparently nothing on the optic side of it, she wins that day in court and she is reunited with her child. I think those moments are truly transformational. And so we're very proud of these statistics, you know, and it's not just about scale. At the end of the day, the wins, they keep us motivated, but the cases that we are not able to win, we take them very seriously. We take them to heart. They follow us outside office hours. They go home with us. We sometimes wake up with a heavy heart. The legal representation work that we do is Sharia compliant. हम सब ये समझते हैं कि एक कैदी की रिहाई कराने में कितनी अफजलियत होती है, कितना सवाब ये होता है। तो रिहाई के बेल का जो अमाउंट होता है या फाइन या श्योरिटी का जो कीमत होती है, वो भरने को हम में से काफ़ी लोग होते हैं जो तैयार हो जाते हैं। एक जज्बा भी होता है मदद करने का यूं। लेकिन रिहाई तक तो हम तब पहुंचेंगे ना जब वो केस जो है वो किसी ने प्रेजेंट किया हो, आर्ग्यू किया हो और जज साहब तक वो फाइल पहुंचे। तो ऐसे अनगिनत लोग हैं जो सालों सलाखों के पीछे फंसे रहते हैं और उनका मुकदमा आगे बढ़ता ही नहीं है, डेट नहीं लगती है। तो my plea to people that are listening is very simple. It's to understand that supporting legal aid, legal advisory work is number one, Sharia compliant. And the second thing is that it is very important to support the costs of that entire journey where a lawyer is arguing, pleading, presenting documents, researching your case, collecting evidence, really putting your voice before the right forums.
iCare is proud to support Haya Iman Zahid and the Legal Aid Society in making justice accessible to those who need it most.